Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a phone number in GoHighLevel. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account. Once you are inside, look at the left side menu and click on Settings, then select Phone Numbers. This is where all your numbers are managed and where you can add a new number for your account. Next, click on Add Number, and then select Add Phone Number. You will now see a screen where you can choose the country and region, or enter a specific area code. You can use the filters to narrow down the available options. For example, you can choose between local numbers or toll-free numbers, and also select the type of functionality you need, like voice calls, SMS, or both. Once you find a number that works for your needs, click on it to select it, and then click Proceed to Buy to confirm your purchase. In some countries, you may need to provide additional documentation, like an address bundle, for regulatory purposes. Follow the instructions on the screen if that is required. After the purchase is complete, your new number will appear in your phone numbers list. You can use it right away to send messages, make calls, or set up call forwarding and other configurations within GoHighLevel. That's it. You have successfully added a phone number to your GoHighLevel account. Thanks for watching.